Global markets are in rally mode today, but not every asset is joining the party. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your India market briefing for June 27th. We cover the Nifty 50, Sensex, Bank Nifty, and the stocks dominating headlines today. Let us start with a snapshot of the Indian equity markets today. Starting with the Nifty 50, India's benchmark large-cap index. Nifty 50 is broadly flat at 24,056 Indian rupees, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by tech stocks drive unnerving sell-off in global markets, the New York Times. With Nifty 50 moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $24,657 level above and $23,455 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. The Sensex, tracking India's 30 largest blue-chip companies. Sensex is broadly flat at 77,100 Indian rupees, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by tech stocks drive unnerving sell-off in global markets, the New York Times. The Bank Nifty, India's banking sector barometer, is closely watched by traders as a leading indicator for the broader market. Bank Nifty is broadly flat at 58,177 Indian rupees, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by U.S. House Democrat, who may soon run key committee, condemns crypto in 401(k)s. With Bank Nifty moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $59,631 level above and $56,723 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Now let us look at the stocks making headlines in India today. Infosys dipped minus 1.30% to 1,042.90 Indian rupees. The Cobalt AI deal pipeline is growing, but revenue conversion takes 6 to 12 months. Near-term earnings momentum depends on existing account mining. Watch for any guidance revision commentary ahead of the quarterly earnings. The whisper is that the management has become more conservative than warranted. Bajaj Finance is trading lower by minus 0.96%, at 981.40 Indian rupees. Consumer durable financing and personal loans are growing, but the market is watching credit quality in a slower growth environment. The EMI card business and co-branded credit card partnerships are the emerging fee income drivers. Watch for any commentary on the Q-on-Q credit cost trend. Now let us look at the macro backdrop for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 94.30. A softer rupee compresses margins for import-heavy sectors like oil, consumer goods, and airlines, while IT exporters like TCS and Infosys benefit. Investor sentiment is being shaped by as chipmakers lead Wall Street slide on interest rate rise worries, Financial Times. Foreign institutional investor flows are the near-term swing factor. Any risk-off in global markets tends to amplify selling pressure on Indian indices given the high FII ownership in Nifty 50 constituents. The biggest mover in India today is Infosys. Infosys dipped minus 1.30% to 1,042.90 Indian rupees. Operating margin trajectory toward the 19 to 21% target is back on track. The risk is North America financial services softness. Any new large deal announcement, particularly in European manufacturing, would be a meaningful catalyst given the diversification it signals. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your India market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of Indian and global markets.